come soon, so that they could die. Flames to dust, lovers to friends. Why do all good things come to an end? Flames to dust, lovers to friends. Why do all good things come to an end? Come to an end, come to an end. Why do all good things come to an end? Come to an end, come to an end. Why do all good things come to an end? Well, the dogs were barking at the new moon, whistling a new tune, hoping it would come soon. And the dogs were barking at the new moon, whistling a new tune, hoping it would come soon, so that they